Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you App Store cannot connect, the page could not be loaded, try again. If you're using App Store and you're having an issue something like this, that the App Store cannot be connected. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and open up your settings. In settings, you have to make sure that you are connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular, or if you haven't, you must have to connect. And once you have checked, you have to briefly enable your airplane mode and then disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have disabled airplane mode, wait for your phone until it connects to any Wi-Fi, and once the phone has been connected, you just have to try again on your app store. Sometimes it might be that your phone is not on your uh, not connected to internet, so it can be the issue that you cannot connect to app store. But if you're still having the same issue, you can see my issue has been fixed. But if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open up your settings. In settings, simply scroll down and go for general, tap on it, and here you have to scroll down and you will get this option, which is VPN and device management. Simply select that option, and from here you have to make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN, because sometimes it might be that your phone has been connected to any VPN, so you cannot use App Store until you are connected to any VPN. So you must have to disconnect your VPN from here, and once you have disconnected, you just have to try again to open your App Store. But if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your settings and then go for general, and here you just have to go down and you will get the transfer or reset iPhone option. Simply select that option, then select the reset, and here you just have to select reset network settings. So simply tap on it, and from here you have to enter your passcode, and once you have entered your passcode, here all network settings might be reset, but you have to keep in mind that your Wi-Fi passwords and your network settings will be reset it and delete it. So you must have to backup them, and then you can really try this. And once you have reset it your network settings, so it might be your problem will be almost fixed, because if your phone have any network problem, so it will be fixed after this step. But if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to make sure that your device is on the latest iOS version. So you have to open up your settings app again, then scroll down and look for general, simply tap on it, then tap on the software update option. And from here you have to make sure that your device is up to date or there is no any pending update available. If you have any update here, you must have to download and install the update on your phone, and once you have updated your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you have to force restart your device. So now to do that, you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So it might take a while, so you just have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get Apple logo, you have to release all the buttons and wait for your phone after until this restarts. And when your phone restarts, you can easily use your app store without any problems. So in this way, you can easily fix that app store cannot connect, the page cannot be reloaded. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.